at the ask. If we can get hit. All right, we are in. We're in at 71.72. Daily doesn't look super great because it had been climbing, but then it started to drop, and intraday it gaps down, and now we got a bear flag forming here, sorta. But we think this thing goes below 71, so target's going to be below 71, and stop loss is going to be around 72, over 72.50 area. But it looks good here. We think it drops. The only reason it doesn't drop is because the daily is not super weak. We do have a double top on the daily, so that's pretty good. CVNA, we're at our stop here. Market is climbing. We're going to come out of this right here. All right, we're out. We're out with a 50-cent loser. It's just the market's climbing here, and it should have turned here. It didn't turn, so it'll probably climb. Roku, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. All right, we are in. We're in at 118.73. We think this thing continues to drop here, but stop loss on this thing is going to have to be at least 120. And target on this thing, I want at least 117.50 area. Let's take a look at this thing up close. I'm thinking it's going to try to climb here, and when it doesn't, it's going to collapse harder. That's my thinking on this trade. All right, it's coming down. Not the way I want it to, but it's coming down. Let's take a look at this thing up close. See if we can get this thing at least below 118. All right, here we go. We're at 118 here. Let's see if we can grab a little bit more. All right, I'll take it right there. Took about a little under a point. Roku, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. All right, we're in. We're going to try this one more time here. We think it cracks 117. We've been monitoring this for a little bit, and it tried to climb, and it didn't succeed. So we think this time it cracks 117 pretty dramatically, I think. And target will be around 116. All right, here we go. It's dropping. All right, still dropping here. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It's not dropping the way I wanted it to. All right, we're going to take this right here. For about 50 cents. It wasn't dropping the way I wanted it to, and even though it might still, but I figured it would drop one full point right after it collapsed below 117. DXCM, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. Looks like it's about to tip. This thing is up huge. Okay, we are in. We're in at 194.83. Daily does not look good for a short. Look at the size of these two candles here. But at the same time, it's up so much that people are going to start taking profits. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It tried to go over to 200 and it wasn't successful. And now we think it drops. So target on this thing is going to be below 194, and stop loss will be around 95.50. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Let's try to take this right here if we can. Let me push this up a little bit. I got a little greedy there. Tried to take more, but all right, we're out. We're out with a little over a point on that one. Expedia, we're going to take this for a long right here at the bid. If we can get in. All right, we are in. It's a little risky because it's down so much, but at the same time, this thing needs a pullback. Let's take a look at this thing up close. And it looks like it's pulling back here after this bottoming tail here. So target on this thing, I like it over 104. And stop loss will be below 102. All right, here we go. Should be a quick trade. I'm just looking for a pullback from the lows. Not looking for too much here. Here we go. All right, it's coming up. All right, we're over 104. Let's see if we can take this here. All right, we are out of 100. All right, we're full out. Nice. We got a little over a point on this one. And we could have probably sat on this one for a little bit, but it is downtrending pretty big this morning, so it's best just to take the pullback, and we did. Roku, we're going to take this for a short right here. Looks like it's going to pull back here, so we're going to see if we can get a pullback here on this rally here that's had since the low of day here. We're in at 125.12. Second trade on it. We took it earlier. We took about a point off of it, but we took it way down here. We brought it all the way down to right before it turned around and started to climb. That was at 116.61. We got out of it all the way down here, and it's been rallying since. So right now it's coming up on our stop. Our stop is going to be, let's take a look at this thing up close. Stop's going to be over 126 here, and target's going to be 124, about a point each way. But look, it's been putting in green for quite some time. You know, these are 5-minute candles here, so I think we get a pullback, and a good size pullback, because it is down big for today. Roku, okay, we are over our stop here, so we're not going to give it much time here. If it doesn't drop soon, we're just going to come out of it. But we got cushion today, so alright, it's looking good. It's coming back to us. It's near entry here, so this could be the last hurrah here and just drop like a rock. But if this thing goes over 126 one more time, I got to get out of it, because it'll blast off. Make this a little closer here. Alright, it's coming down here. Alright, we're going to try to take this right here if we can. Alright, we're out. Nice. Nice. We got another, what is that? We got another about 75 cents on that. Nice. I'll take that. Anyways, traders, that's going to be it for us today. We're up 569. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 5 winners and 1 loser. Our biggest winner on DXCM and our loser on CVNA. Thanks for watching.